I can't do this on my own. Hey, nope. Hey. Someone watching this shit close. Yup, close. I've been me since Scarlet Road. Hey, road. Hey. Might go down as G-O-D. Yup, wait. I go hard on Southside G. Hey, wait.
So we finally got to Austin today.
These tacos are actually from Austin. At a place called Pueblo Viejo. It's a
Oh my god.
It's a Mexican taco truck.
Came out. Oh my goodness. See, I told you.
Oh, can I have some of that?
Those people that actually get paid to like go to restaurants and like speak about it. I don't know how I would describe it, just except for it's
Juicy.
Can I do it?
Sorry.
It's like exquisite, like it's so fucking good. I don't know how else to say it. It's like, man, it melts in your mouth, not in your hand.
Oh my god, it's so good.
That's M&M's.
So what he's eating right now is chicken, corn tacos.
Okay.
I don't know what this is. This one is steak. What is this? Guacamole?
Yeah.
Let me smell. What is that? What is this? Oh, it's spicy.
Oh my god.
That's really good, but it's spicy.
I don't know what the fuck that is. Me like a spicy.
I thought that was guacamole.
Really, that color is guacamole?
Oh shit. Give it quiet. Shit. This is to drink milk, right?
Really good. Where you going?
It's hot.
I thought you was doing Mukbang. It's spicy, y'all. It ain't hot. Okay. One day I want to do like
I couldn't even get a cup.
a pepper like challenge because I've seen like the levels. I just love when I'm trying.
Oh my gosh.
I like hot stuff.
Ugh. I don't, obviously. Like mouthwash. Get that away from me.
I know we're gonna be in Austin a lot more. Just try new things. I mean, cause like the chain restaurants are cool. I just feel like the trucks are really where it's at. You know what I'm saying?
For real. They had a place next to it that sold wings and then a barbecue spot. No. I was thinking about getting some barbecue too, but I was like,
Me too. And we know where it is, so we always go back.
Thank God we didn't because it was 90 degrees today. Mad hot. It took like 30 minutes for the food to get ready. I kept walking back and forth like thinking my little buzzer was gonna buzz.
Go ahead.
Ooh, try this one, baby. That shit's good. My tongue isn't blue anymore, is it? We also had a place called Snow Cone. I think that's what it's called in Austin. I actually got this one for you.
What's that?
It was called like Supreme Pueblo, so that's their like name. Taco.
So I love tacos and I love my steak, but like to me it's always better with like with the lettuce and tomatoes and everything. So that's cool, but like there's no vegetable.
Nothing in it. I like the cilantro too.
I'm a veggie, you know what I'm saying? Not that veggie. Let me see.
Don't mind Casey on the side over here.
So this is still good. Sweet, good.
It was so beautiful though. We went to, I think the park was called sulfur bark. You can see the skyline. There was a bunch of dogs just roaming around everywhere. Oh my gosh, this is heavy.
It's nice. So this is what I'm talking about. Look at all that. You know what I'm saying?
Honey, get a really good close up.
Got the lettuce and all your stuff up in it.
That's the one he's about to have. Our kids are in the back having their food. The spice went away.
So it's good. There's no spice though. I like to have a little bit of spice. Not too much, just a little bit.
This one has tomatoes, lettuce, avocado, has some mushrooms inside of it too.
That's my style.
My tongue is like burning. Can I have the chicken one? You said the chicken one was good, right? I don't want that.
Good.
This one has, the chicken one has onions and green peppers.
Stop coughing in the damn video.
The spice, honey.
A little bit of pepper.
It was a good sauce, but it was spicy.
So with the spice, perfect. I don't mind.
Oh my god, I'm gonna get the itis. It was so hot today. And that heat just makes you sleepy.
Oh, yeah.
Our dogs, our poor dogs are like knocked out. Oh, we should chew a little louder. I'm gonna actually bring you guys a little closer so you can hear us chew, because some people have been recommending that.
Word?
Like that. So we got a little closer so you guys can hear us chew. But the thing is that like, I could be like, I can burp and stuff, but I don't really chew loud. Like I don't chew with my mouth open, so I'll try to do it.
When her sister get here, she'll do it for you.
You guys would love it if she chews. She chews with her mouth open. Yeah.
Like a cow. I wonder who idea it was to put like the lime with the food. It's so good. I'd be like asking for extra lime and shit.
I want to taste this al pastor. This is the al pastor, which is like pork, and it has cilantro and onions. That's how it looks. I should have had it like this the whole time. That's how it looks. Our freaking camera's heating up.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I guess because it's hot outside.
It's not that kind of camera. Hey.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
I'm gonna finish.
Okay. I love the fresh cilantro. I love it. This is like our first official meal today. I was so hot, so irritated. I didn't want, honestly, like if I could just wear my panties, I could today. Jericho, he got so hot, he took his shorts off and his shirt, and he was in the car with all the windows down with just his underwear. I don't have my bra on. I love that. Taste another one. Taste that one.
Go, Jericho.
Corey, you could go to your friend's house.
Be careful. Give it to the room, my room space.
Go ahead. Good job. Let me taste the one that Desmond tasted.
That shit good,
Huh?
y'all. Dropping all the good stuff.
This is like a supreme.
What time do we come back?
Man, we are vlogging. Good gracious.
I'll text his mom.
I'm gonna squirt this lime in her face.
I didn't want to share with the kids, so we got them something different, but now I'm getting stuff. But the leftovers I will eat later. Oh, look, you see the mushroom? Right here. Can y'all see? I don't know if you can see. Your head is in the way, Des. It's like not, whatever. Yes, Jericho.
Go away, Julie. Go away.
You go to his friend's house.
What is he?
No. I'm gonna go get his tablet. You talk to him. His tablet's in the car. What's that?
Well, this is the pork one, and it's really good. Like I said, like the vegetables though, and like to me, the most important part. Cause like think about Burger King. So you could just have the burger on there, but like the tomatoes and the onions and the lettuce just like make it, you know what I'm saying, what it is. So, and as you see, everybody else like pretty much copies out them. This is an awesome idea. So this is a good taco, but the Supreme to me is the one that I would get. You know, I didn't even try this one right here with all the damn steak on the shit on it. Because I like steak, but if you just have the steak on the taco, it's mad dry.
Here, puppy. Where are you?
I mean, the steak it's tender as shit though.
Cookie.
She's really tender. It's really tender, so I'm gonna enjoy eating that. I thought it was gonna be maybe like hard, but nah, that shit is really tender.
Our camera keeps turning off, so we're gonna have to like finish.
What?
What were you saying?
Fuck this hot. No, I was saying it's funny how like the sauce like it don't hit you like right away. It kind of like, you know, marinate. They're like bam, bitch, I'm hot.
Here, I don't really like the Supreme one.
Good, good. I was telling them.
I don't really like too much veggies.
I do. You got a pork chip.
Oh my gosh.
Well,
Look at your son.
oh.
Hold on, can I blur his wee-wee? Oh my goodness. Jericho, can you cover your wee-wee? Cover it.
Huh?
Oh my God. Ew! Hold up, I gotta go clean him, y'all. Come on.
My goodness.
No, my foot.
Toddler light.
Yeah.
No, my foot.
Over here,
I'm
over
freaking
here.
out by having a girl, so
My foot.
I don't know what to expect. I'm nervous,
Mommy and my
anxious and shit. My wife sent me a video the other day on Instagram, like this dad bought his like 11-year-old daughter like a bra and shit, like, you know, a training bra. She was mad hype. And I'm like, man, I'm not even ready for that. You know, we got periods and all that shit. Doing hair, and you can't really talk to them like you talk to the boys because they extra sensitive. So I'm like, man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? So I think everybody that know me like know I'm tough and shit. You know what I'm saying? So they feel like, oh, like a girl gonna soften you up. But I feel like the way females are treated, you know what I'm saying, now, I'm gonna be extra tough on her, you know what I'm saying? Because she's gonna have to be strong out here in this world, you feel me?
I'm just trying to put on my Michael Kors shades. I don't know, them shits were expensive.
And
I didn't buy
like,
them, my sister did.
and then like, I'm a spoiler. Like, so I don't, like I said, I didn't talk bad about the steak taco. Only thing I would say is I wish it had some vegetables on it, but the meat is mad tender. Hold on, the steak's mad tender.
How about you put some other stuff that's in the
How about I got this? He's already doing that. Put a little cilantro in it. Like sometimes you gotta,
Yeah, I
you
need
know
to
what
do
I'm
a bit of
saying?
sauce.
Yeah, like you gotta make your own stuff, you know what I'm saying, sometimes. So I just put a little bit in there. Ooh. You be half eating your shit. Put a little onion on it.
I'm pregnant, so like, kind of picky.
It really,
It
really
needs
good.
like a sauce though.
Yeah, no, it's all good. It's all good.
I'm just drinking this honestly, because I want some more water, but I want to burp.
Yeah, so like,
Drink some so you can burp too.
I hope y'all don't think that,
The tortilla is like very, like a little dry.
I'm running 4 miles tomorrow, y'all. Don't worry about it.
He's still good with running, and he has like knee problems. I don't know.
Don't put my business out like that.
Sorry, but like,
I got arthritis, that shit sucks to run.
but then again, you have been running since like your whole army career.
Also, why my knees hurt.
Yeah.
And then like having that weight, you know, the extra weight on my knees ain't good either. So I gotta run and keep this shit off. Anyway, so what I was saying is, I don't have my head cut off. You get it? But like, so we won't just do Mexican, but like, I do enjoy. But I do definitely enjoy like a good, authentic, you know what I'm saying, Mexican spot. So I guess we'll try some other stuff. We haven't tried barbecue yet.
Oh my God, we have to. I'm not really like a fan. Like I can eat the ribs, but I'm not like a fan of like the bread that it comes with. The corn, what is it called? Coleslaw.
You ain't gotta eat it. It's good.
Cornbread.
You don't like cornbread? So when I make cornbread, you don't be liking my shit like that?
Yes, baby. But have I had cornbread while being pregnant? It doesn't sound appetizing to me at all right now.
Cornbread is
Yeah, so next time I guess we'll try, I don't even know what the next time will be. We don't be wanting to spend a bunch of money on takeout. We don't be wanting.
So it's, I mean, it's stuff here that we have that we still haven't been to, you know what I'm saying? So definitely gonna get it in. Like we haven't had a burger. I want one of them triple stacks, you know what I'm saying? We probably ain't gonna finish that shit, but just to like have it on here or whatever. So it's a lot of stuff that we haven't tested out. That mod pizza that we have, haven't tried that.
It's like Glazer's pizza.
Yeah, and then, we got Freddy's. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes like we might just bust like a big ass sundae, you know what I'm saying, ice cream.
Oh, so you're gonna do the mukbangs with me now?
If you want me to. You want me to?
Yeah.
She'll be wanting me.
Oh please, you're a liar. I always tell you, but like, no, that's your thing.
She'll be wanting me her stuff. She's like, this is basically, you know, so this is my stuff.
I never say that.
Do your own thing. I'm like, alright, you know, like that.
I never say that. Not with this channel.
I don't know.
Anyways, I'm sleepy. We're gonna take a nap. Probably watch some YouTube, Netflix. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh my God, I'm sleepy. Oh, you guys want to see my belly? I didn't really burp today. I'm disappointed in myself. Aww. Can you burp? Can you burp on cue?
Yeah.
Another one. A big one.
Okay. Yeah, I can do that shit like nothing. And every time I do it, it reminds me of like Willy Wonka and the Chocolate
Oh yeah, when they go up. Those are the only ones I could do it on cue. Let me see. They're small.
It's like a diaphragm. You gotta.
Can you fart?
No.
On cue.
Hey, girl, good job. Work it.
The last vlog, that shit was awesome.
They like. I don't know if you ever seen nerds before, like do like burp like it's like the whole alphabet. Shit was ridiculous. You ain't about that life.
I'm not.
You ain't about it. Oh, that shit weak.
I know.
Alright, y'all, I'm out. Thanks.
Peace out.
Oh,
Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe.